Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today we're going to be talking about Panasonic Lumix Flash for cameras. Not all flashes are compatible with your Lumix camera. We're talking about Lumix GH7, GH85, GH5, GH4, and those type of cameras need a special flash. Heads up, ETTL, ITTL will not work with Panasonic Lumix cameras. Just a quick heads up. So right now we got a GODOX TT685o, which this model is for Panasonic Lumix. Also, I'm gonna leave in the link other type of flashes that are compatible with Lumix Panasonic cameras. Why? Because there aren't that many in the market, so you gotta look carefully. And I'm sorry to say, but they're not really cheap because there's not a whole bunch of them. So this is what you're gonna get from GODOX. It's the TT685. What are the advantages of having a Panasonic compatible flash? Is that it's gonna work with the zoom, it's gonna work with your f-stop, it's gonna communicate, it's gonna work with TTL. This is for the people who love to work with automatic modes. It's not, you can still use manual, but this is mostly for automatic modes. This is a powerful flash, a really quick sync, which is 1,800 seconds. And I'm gonna put this on the camera. I'm gonna put this on right here. And you're gonna see how it's gonna communicate. Tighten this up. I'm gonna turn it on. Turn that on. Turn this one on. And you can see that TTL is working. We can see the camera logo right here. If I turn it off, oh, sorry. If I turn it off, the little flash is gonna turn off. You can see that, so it's working. I'm gonna turn it back on. And there you go, it's working. So it is compatible with TTL. TTL means through the lens. It's really important that you know what it's for. I'm not gonna get in too deep with that, but show you guys that it is compatible. You can see the f-stops right here that are changing because it is communicating with your lens. Also, really important to know is that we can do straight flash, angle flash, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 and up. You can also, the GODOX has a little sensor here that will know what angle this flash is. It's gonna have 4 AA batteries. We got also right here. This is updatable. You can see a micro USB port right here. So you can update your flash. This is really cool about GODOX that it has the update, because for example, maybe later on there's a update for the camera and you want to update it to your flash because it wasn't compatible anymore. So you can do that. Or for example, right now you have GH5, maybe next year there's GH6 and it won't be compatible until this gets updated. So you have that available, that it's gonna work all the time because it has the updates. Well, yeah, this is a GODOX TT685o. I hope you liked this video. It was just to show you that what types of flashes are compatible with your Panasonic Lumix. Like I said, I'm gonna leave in the description a bunch of links of other flashes that will be compatible with Panasonic. Be careful, like I said, quick heads up, don't buy ITTL or ETTL because they won't work. They will only work if you do it in manual mode. Manual mode is really, it's good and it's more professional, but it's time consuming. If you're shooting a whole bunch of products and they're not paying you as much, you don't want to use manual mode. You want to go automatic, just something that is better than using your normal flash that comes with the camera. It's just, you can see how big this flash is. You can see how small that is. You can just see how professional you're gonna look with one of these instead of those. And just having automatic mode just makes life easier. Well, thanks for watching, guys. My name is George Aguilar, and I'll see you guys later.